RoboGarden is a turnkey solution to help students learn coding in a gamified and self-paced way. It's lots of fun to learn at RoboGarden. Students really love it. We are available in 5 languages, as you can see here: English, Spanish, Portuguese, Arabic, and Chinese. And it's an excellent way for all the children at your school to learn coding, critical thinking, problem solving in a STEAM environment. Students simply love it, and we do have a completion rate of more than 90%. And the best thing if you want to implement large scale is that you can just allow your students to play, and they will be evolving step by step, taking tutorials, missions, and quizzes. And after each set of activities, which we call adventure, students will earn a certificate. So as a school, you will be able to see exactly what students are learning, how they are progressing, and your teachers will be able to watch as students are progressing. So how does it work to learn coding with RoboGarden? So first you enter a journey. So this is our Let's Find Treasures in the Forest journey. All of our journey have a STEAM context. So students will learn about sustainability, about biodiversity, about clean air and clean water and all that, and they will have some missions to solve. So first they're going to pick up some tropical fruit, and then they go to a tutorial where they learn in video format what they will have to do in this adventure. So you don't need a teacher explaining each and every step. They will learn on their own with a video how the platform works. They will take a quiz, and if you answer the questions right, you're able to take your first mission. And the first mission at RoboGarden is always very, very easy because any beginner can do it. And we will be able
Let's see how we can do this. Please help me take a step forward to get the mango.
So here we just have to take a step forward to get the mango. How do you take a step forward? You choose this block and you run the code and you earn your points and congratulations. And of course this was very easy, but if we go to our roadmap, you will see that each journey has 8 adventures. So if we go here to the 7th adventure, more to the end of the journey, and the 4th mission, just because I chose it, the task will be much more difficult.
Another mysterious plan. We have collect 3 items of food in the following way. Walk 8 cells forward, turn right and collect the food items.
So
we have a counter that will warn.
Here our friend Robo will have to pick up fruit in 2 different scenarios using the same code, learning how to automate the coding skills. It will be necessary to use 35 blocks. On average in the world, our kids solve this mission in 11 minutes, and they have all of these codes to choose from: movement translation, rotation, variables, color sensors, values, math equations, Boolean, selections, and loops. So all of this they have learned step by step, one after the other, and now they will apply their knowledge. So here, as I'm a teacher and doing demo, I can see the model answer. It's too big for the screen, so I can reduce it so I can see the code. And then we just ask Robo to run and earn the points, okay? So it's simple as that. Students progress very well. They will be developing their skills in a very consistent way, in a fun environment, and the teachers will be able to watch what they're doing. So I will enter here as a teacher, and you will see how a teacher, even if the teacher has not had the opportunity to learn to code, and we know most teachers have not had this opportunity, so even a teacher who cannot code will be able to watch how students are progressing and through the dashboard, and they will also be able to see how the students, who can help each other, because you will have here the names of the students, their image if they upload it, and we see who is having success with different numbers of trials. So our student number 5 here is doing well, but had to do 2 trials here on mission 3 and mission 4. And student number 4 is also doing well, but needed 3 trials on mission number 5. And student number 3 never started, so we might need to ask the student to start. So we also have the teacher's guides and everything, and content alignment, so you will be able to see very well who is learning what, and you can register the success and give students grades in math and science or participation, or you can invite them to other courses with technology. If you are a school that already has robotics and so on, we have lots of experience of students saying that they earn more fluency when they work with RoboGarden. And we do have journeys for all levels, from 1st grade up to the 12th grade in K-12. For the older students, we also have textual journeys. So I'm going to log in and just show a bit how it's done. So to learn the textual journeys where they learn JavaScript or Python, let's pick up Python. They will go back to the first step, do it all again, first step forward, step backward, turn left, turn right, and they will learn in multiple choice format how to solve.
Okay,
So here it will be a movement translation action. You do step forward, but the fun part here is that you will learn Python doing multiple choice, so in a very, very natural way, without a person having to explain that you cannot forget the parentheses and the full stop and the capital letters. So very naturally the student will be learning this language, and we do it in different steps. So first they think about the logic of coding with the blocks, and then they use the language itself. So with RoboGarden, all the students at your school can learn coding from the very basic
all right.
steps.
We're getting the hang
Until the level they want to reach, and you will be giving them an opportunity to understand the world we live in, to understand how technology is built, and even to have access to very good jobs. So that's why RoboGarden's motto is learn to earn. They will learn to earn knowledge and good jobs as much as they want to progress in our journeys.